I am Sushil Kumar Agarwal from Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh, India. I deal in numerology as well as gemology. According to the date of birth of a person concerned, I provide a suitable stone relating to his date of birth and birth star and birth time also, after selecting a suitable stone from my custody. Actually, the business was started by me in 2005 in Hyderabad only, Andhra Pradesh, and from 2005 onwards I am doing the regular business, and lot of people are benefiting from the stones provided by me based on their date of birth, birth time. However, in case of any party or any client of mine does not have one's date of birth, then the person has to come to me personally, and after checking his nerves by nadi, by studying his hand, by holding his hand by nadi, I select a suitable stone even without the date of birth of that particular person. And the stones provided by me are 100% guaranteed, and in case the stone provided by me is not favoring to the person came to me, he may come again and approach on a free basis, and I replace the stones at free of cost without any other further charges in a later stage. In this connection, I prepared a website also in the name of HareKrishnaGems.com, which can be seen on the internet, and there are numerous advantages of the stones provided by me. A stone can save the life of a person. A stone can remove the dispute of a person and a wife. A stone can cure the disease of a person. A stone or a gem can send a person to the foreign country. A person can favor in his employment also. A gems or a stone also favors in the business field of a particular area. And there are so many other things where my stones can be used. A gems makes your future. There are many. A gem can multiply profits by using my stones. There are 9 types of stars in the universe. Number 1, ruby. Number 2 is coral. Number 3 is emerald. Number 4 is guru, means yellow sapphire. Next is blue sapphire also. Diamond, ruby, pearl, and cat's eye. There are like 9 stars, and there are 9 gems according to the birth star of a person on the universe. And based on the stars of the particular person and study thereafter, I provide out of 9 stones which is suitable. Moreover, after studying the case of a person, I also check up the power of a stone. I also provide and give the power to the stone also. Suppose the emerald is required to a particular person and the emerald is not suitable on him, but birth star emerald is to be given. In that case, I check up hundreds of emeralds stocked by me and check up one by one according to my method, according to my methodology, that which stone shall be required to him and which power is required to be given of that particular stone to that particular person on that time, and the prevailing as per prevailing stars of that person.